And now it's time for today's daily forecast with EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martrich.
Hey, good morning to you. This is the weekend forecast for August 18th and 19th, and we will have a frontal boundary that's going to be slowly moving through the area on Saturday. Not as doom and gloom, though, as it appeared, or it may appear. I know it's going to be kind of mostly cloudy all day today. It does look like any shower and thunderstorm activity will be for the far interior until we get later in the day, and then some of that will move further south and east, but this is going to be widely scattered and late in the day. So if you have anything outdoors to do on Saturday, most of the day is dry in most areas except for the far northwestern areas. Let's get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. And this is starting off at 7 o'clock. These showers that are over New Jersey here are a continuation of what fell overnight in some spots. And that's going to continue off. And here's 9 o'clock in the morning. Not really too much going on this morning. And then once we get into the early afternoon, you can see some scattered stuff, very widely scattered stuff out here west of our coverage area, then of the far northern areas, parts of our coverage area, and that's it. And then that will move further south and east with time. We're now looking at 4 p.m., so very widely scattered stuff. So most areas are dry and just mostly cloudy throughout the day today, and then this will start to slip down to the south and east. This is now 6, 7, 8, and you finally get some down to our central region, some scattered thunderstorms popping up. But again, they're widely scattered. There's nothing really organized here today. So some areas within our coverage here will get through this pretty much unscathed for the daylight hours here on Saturday. And then once this continues off to the south and east late evening, gets down toward the Philadelphia area and central New Jersey, and then finally goes off the coast in the overnight period. So are going to dry out there. As far as Sunday now, the European model is showing a plethora of rain over eastern sections. These same areas are showing the spotty stuff. I do think you have some spotty activity here in the morning. Just in the morning, and that's it, okay? The NAM is not thrilled with the rest of the day at all, so it just probably remains cloudy or mostly cloudy here on Sunday with that low and close proximity. As we get over to the global models, though, it shows paints a different scenario. Here's overnight Saturday night where we will clear out, and then here is Sunday, and it shows an area of low pressure that's going to form right along here near the Delmarva, and it has some backlash precipitation going all the way into the extreme eastern Pennsylvania, parts of New Jersey and Delaware. Of course, the NAM is not thrilled, like I just showed you on the previous image here. So Sunday's kind of a toss-up. It could end up being a day where it's just you got a few morning showers, kind of hit or miss stuff, and then that's it. And then either way, the Euro pulses out of here for Monday. And Monday's back to a partly cloudy day. It's an in-between day because this frontal boundary that moved through on Saturday is now situated down here like this. So it's down to our south. It's going to return northward as a warm front, and that's going to be aided northward by this area of low pressure here. That's going to come through later Tuesday, and it's starting to look like this is going to be more of a Tuesday night deal, and it's going to be quickly followed by a cold front. So here's the progression of that. Here's Tuesday, late in the day Tuesday. You see, it just gets to our western portions of our coverage area barely as that warm front moves off to the north. Actually, at this point, here's your area of low pressure. Warm front's going to be situated like this. Okay, and the cold front's down here like this. All right, so you got a little bit of a warm sector in between here. This is moving off to the northeast as this area of low pressure moves off to the northeast. It's going to drag this off to the north and east, and scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be coming through during the overnight period, and then into the very early morning hours of Wednesday, and probably before mid-morning this moves out. This is going to be the cold front moving through, and then we're going to have partial clearing after that point. So early morning clouds on Wednesday giving way to sun. And then back to Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, we have high pressure building over the region and mostly sunny conditions over our area. The temperatures at the Wednesday through Friday time frame are going to be seasonable, and the humidity is going to be a little bit lower too. So we're going to have a nice end of next week, it looks like, after we have that system go through on mainly Tuesday night, it looks like, for those showers and thunderstorms moving through. Again, just to recap the weekend, not a real big deal. Again, you're going to have the scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through. They're going to be widely scattered as projected by the NAM here. Not a real big deal today. Just up across the far northern areas through mid-afternoon, and then once we get further in time through the afternoon, it's going to start slipping down to the south and east. But this is already 7, 8 o'clock at night when you get some stuff going and firing across the central areas from central PA over to eastern PA and central New Jersey. So overall, not too bad. It could be a lot worse. Same thing here with Sunday. The NAM is projecting just maybe some morning activity here, just real light scattered spotty showers here in the morning on Sunday, and then that's it. European model's a little bit more thrilled with that, but we will cover that in the local forecast with a little bit more detail as we get closer. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend. August 18th and 19th, 2018. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.